99% of what you own is engineered to fail. 7 American-made products, from hand tools and fire starters to kitchen machines and household appliances, were built on a different principle. Mechanical simplicity, replaceable parts, zero dependence on digital systems or global supply chains. We rank them by how long they would keep working after everything else stops. Number 7 begins in a foundry that has been pouring iron since 1896. Number 7 begins with the clang of molten iron and the scent of scorched sand. Lodge cast iron cookware, forged in South Pittsburgh, Tennessee since 1896, sets the baseline for collapse-proof design. Each skillet is a single piece of iron, sand cast using a method unchanged for generations. There are no moving parts, no electronics, and no need for replacement components, just pure, elemental durability. The surface is seasoned with oil, a process that not only creates a natural non-stick layer, but also allows the pan to self-heal from scratches and rust. If the finish wears down, a simple bake with common cooking oil restores its protective coat. Lodge pans work over any heat source, open fire, wood stove, or gas, requiring no electricity to cook a meal when the grid is gone. Some families still use Lodge skillets from the 1920s, proof that with care, these tools last a century or more. In a world of disposable gadgets, cast iron endures as the essential, repairable foundation for survival. Number 6 stands for a tool that redefines what it means to be prepared when systems fail. The Leatherman Wave Plus, crafted in Portland, Oregon, is more than just a multi-tool. It is a compact workshop in your pocket, capable of replacing 17 single-use tools. Each Wave Plus is built from 420 HC stainless steel, a material chosen for its balance of edge retention and ease of sharpening, even with a basic whetstone. What sets the Wave Plus apart is its field-serviceable design. Springs, pins, and blades are all listed in the company's official parts catalog, and most fasteners match standard ISO sizes. That means you can tension pivots, swap out worn components, and keep the tool operational without waiting for specialized service. Leatherman's 25-year limited warranty underscores a philosophy of repair over replacement. The company maintains a 10-year minimum parts supply for every model. In an era where most gear is sealed, disposable, and tied to fragile supply chains, the Wave Plus offers a rare promise: practical resilience, built on mechanical simplicity and a commitment to long-term support. For anyone who sees preparedness as more than just a slogan, this is the multi-tool that keeps working when everything else falls short. Number 5 stands for a pocket tool that has earned its place in American lore through a simple promise: it works, or we fix it free. The Zippo windproof lighter, still manufactured in Bradford, Pennsylvania since 1932, is built around a mechanical flint and wheel ignition system that needs no batteries, no software, and no fragile electronics. Its flame resists wind by design, thanks to a perforated chimney that shields the wick and channels air for reliable ignition in storms, on mountaintops, or in blackout conditions. Every core component, the insert, the wick, and the flint, can be replaced by hand. The original factory repair center will restore it to working order at no cost, a policy that has covered more than 3 million repairs since World War II. The lighter's robust metal case is stamped from U.S. steel and designed to survive decades of drops and abuse. In a world where fire is non-negotiable for survival, The Zippo's perpetual repair program and mechanical simplicity make it the rare fire starter that can be trusted to outlast the supply chain and the civilization that built it. Number 4 brings the roar of a two-stroke engine and the unmistakable scent of fresh-cut timber. Stihl's professional-grade chainsaws, assembled at the Virginia Beach facility, are built for a world where every cut matters. Unlike disposable hardware store saws, which often burn out after just 200 to 400 hours, these machines are engineered for a 2,000-hour duty cycle, a tenfold leap in operational life. The secret lies in their rebuildable architecture. The bar, chain, clutch, and even the entire engine can be replaced or overhauled using parts sourced from Stihl's authorized catalogs, with support for major models extending up to 30 years. Routine maintenance such as air filter swaps, spark plug changes, and chain sharpening can be performed with basic hand tools and is spelled out in owners' checklists. For those preparing to process fuel or clear shelter in a grid-down scenario, this is more than just a tool. It is a workhorse designed to be torn down and rebuilt again and again. Where most power equipment is sealed, disposable, and reliant on proprietary electronics, Stihl's professional saws offer a rare kind of resilience, the ability to keep running year after year as long as fuel and spare parts can be found. Coming to the top 3, the Vitamix 2-horsepower commercial blender stands as a rare example of American-made nutrition equipment engineered for true longevity. Built in Olmsted Township, Ohio, this machine is defined by a motor that is rated for continuous duty 8 to 10 hours a day, every day, in commercial kitchens where downtime is not an option. The key is mechanical rebuildability. The armature, bearings, and brushes are all replaceable on a standard workbench with a factory-supported rebuild program that keeps motors running for decades. Unlike disposable kitchen gadgets, a Vitamix is not thrown away when the motor slows or the bearings wear out. For a fraction of the cost of a new unit, the entire powertrain can be restored to original specs, preserving the core investment and slashing waste. The company backs this with a 7 to 10-year warranty, but the real promise lies in the lifetime rebuild path. Owners routinely report machines in service for 30 years or more. In a world where access to fresh food may depend on grinding whole grains or blending tough produce, the ability to keep a critical nutrition tool alive without relying on fragile electronics or proprietary parts is no small thing. This is collapse-proof design at the level of sustenance, not just convenience. In second place, the Buck 110 Folding Hunter stands as a rare example of American engineering built for the long haul. Introduced in 1964 and still produced in Post Falls, Idaho, the 110's design has barely changed in 60 years, a testament to mechanical simplicity and standardized construction. Every critical part, from the lockback mechanism to the brass bolsters and blade pivot, can be swapped between models made decades apart. This interchangeability isn't just a collector's curiosity. It means that when a spring breaks or a rivet loosens, any owner with a donor knife or spare parts can restore the tool to working order without specialized equipment. The blade itself is forged from 420 HC stainless steel and treated with the proprietary Paul Boss heat process, striking a careful balance between edge retention and ease of sharpening. A flat stone or even the bottom of a ceramic mug is enough to bring a dull edge back to life in the field. Buck's Forever warranty is as unconditional as it gets. Any buck knife, no matter how old, will be repaired or replaced free of charge. This policy has outlasted generations of consumer trends and stands in direct opposition to the throwaway logic that defines most modern gear. In a world where planned obsolescence is the norm, the Buck 110 offers something vanishingly rare, a personal tool that can be maintained, rebuilt, and handed down, regardless of what happens to the supply chain or the digital world. The result is a knife that earns its place not just as a survival tool, but as a blueprint for what true durability should look like. And finally, in first place, the Speed Queen commercial grade washer stands as the last word in American-made resilience. Manufactured in Ripon, Wisconsin, these machines are engineered not just for years, but for decades of service, tested to a design life of 25 years and over 10,400 wash cycles. In a world where the average washing machine is built to fail after 7 to 10 years, Speed Queen's platform is a direct rejection of planned obsolescence. The core of this durability lies in its mechanical heart, an oil bath transmission with Stihl gears, a heavy-gauge stainless steel tub, and a direct drive motor. There are no digital control boards to fail, no proprietary software to brick the machine when updates stop. Instead, cycles are selected with a simple mechanical timer, an analog dial that can be replaced or repaired with basic tools, not a soldering iron or a firmware patch. This approach is more than nostalgia. It is a deliberate design for a world where supply chains are fragile and electronics are a liability. Speed Queen guarantees 10 years of parts availability for every model after production ends, and its authorized service network stocks everything from belts to agitator dogs. For those who prefer self-reliance, most repairs, including motor swaps, belt replacements, and transmission rebuilds, can be done on a workbench with hand tools and parts ordered from any appliance distributor. The washer's power requirements are modest, running on a standard 120-volt supply, so it can be powered by a generator or inverter in a grid-down scenario. But the real reason Speed Queen claims the top spot is its systemic impact. In any collapse scenario, hygiene is non-negotiable. Clean clothing and linens are a frontline defense against disease and infection, and a robust laundry system can mean the difference between health and hardship for an entire household. While most appliances become electronic waste the moment a circuit fails, Speed Queen's mechanical controls and industrial-grade components are built to be revived again and again by anyone with the willingness to turn a wrench. It is not just a product, it is an infrastructure asset engineered for a future where reliability is survival and the ability to repair is the ultimate form of independence. Across all 7 entries, one pattern stands out. True resilience is engineered, not marketed. These rare products prove that durability, repairability, and independence from fragile systems are not relics. They are lifelines. In a disposable age, owning what lasts is not nostalgia, it's survival. Choose wisely.